This is Coffee with Creators episode 6. I am Xerxes और आज हमारे साथ है Zia because we are going to talk about being a gamer in the midst of a pandemic and making content and what it's done to the industry और क्या चल रहा है basically, right? But before you even start, Shagufta, I'm going to ask you one very simple question.
Yeah,
There's this tag which keeps coming saying gamer girl or you're a
yeah,
girl gamer. Let's just start
yeah.
with the hard stuff. Is it annoying?
Okay. It is very annoying to be honest. When like people try to, make separations like in like gamer guys, gamer girls. Like it shouldn't be like that. Everybody is a gamer. I don't play like some different games that there needs to be like a different category for me. So yeah, it is really annoying, and I think we should stop using that gamer girl term, um, and just everybody is a gamer. So
Interesting.
yeah.
When did you start with this? How long back did you decide to be a
Um,
gamer?
so I mean, I have been gaming for as long as I can remember, honestly. Like even बचपन में I remember TV में वो जो ऐसे आते थे ना consoles 999 and 1 वाले consoles. I remember playing those with my sister. And then as we grew up, like my dad, he used to be subscribed to this magazine subscription called Digit. And उसके
Hmm.
साथ में there used to be some series that used to come,
The
like game
trial
series.
demos
Yeah,
used to
yeah, yeah.
come
वो से
into that.
flash game series वगैरह आते थे. So I used to play that a lot. And yeah, फिर then I moved on to like better games. Like I started playing CS 1.6. And वैसे ही like I've been gaming my entire life. Like there's not even one point in my life where I have not been gaming. So yeah, वैसे ही चलता गया. I wanted to make a career in gaming, but obviously like India में वो time पे like you can't really make it a career. um, उस टाइम पे like ऐसे गेमिंग इतना कुछ डेवलप भी नहीं था, and people used to just game for fun. So
Hmm.
yeah, it was difficult. So I just like ऐसे normal I did my engineering, and then उसके बाद I got placed into Capgemini. I was having like a normal regular life like everybody else, and then came like my big break. I mean, so NVIDIA decided to like make like a content creators wala team.
Hmm.
So they asked me to join the team. And I think, yeah, that's where I started like doing gaming and content creation like full time. So before that, I was just like, yeah, सिर्फ सपना ही था ये.
How many years back was this when it started?
Um, I think like 2 years ago, I don't remember exactly. 2018, yeah,
Uh-huh.
2018, 20, start of 2019, I guess, yeah. I
Interesting.
left my job on 2018 and yeah, to move to the NVIDIA job.
Gaming full time.
Yeah.
Very
उसके
nice.
पहले भी I used to stream, but that was just like a side hobby thing.
Time
Um,
pass thing.
yeah, time pass. So yeah,
And now it's full time, full throttle.
yeah.
What is your preferred platform of choice as of now? When it comes to streaming, I'm guessing it's PCs as of now.
Yeah, I mainly do PCs, and recently I got a PS5, so I've been
Mm-hmm.
doing like console stuff as well. But yeah, mainly it's just PC.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And when it came to the pandemic, when it hit
Hmm.
and everyone's shit went to storm,
Yeah.
how was it for you? Because I mean, you were playing games, and that as an
Yeah,
industry, in
so
fact, grew in this pandemic, right?
true. So, I mean, it did not really affect me as much, like career-wise, because I was already staying at home. I was already
Mm-hmm.
staying at home playing and, surviving off of that. But it did affect like my mental because, like, when you stay at home for a long period of time, it can really affect you mentally. And then, so before I used to like stream 5 days a week, 6 days a week, and then like in the weekends I used to go out, like I say, hang out with friends and stuff.
Hmm.
So that was like my, chill time, relax time. So now that has gone away because it's like you're being forced to stay at your like workplace all the
Mm-hmm.
time. Like imagine you go to a job somewhere and yeah, you're forced to stay there. So it's sort of like that. I mean, obviously it's a really good job that I have. Like I'm very like lucky to have
Grateful
a
for
job
it.
like this. Yeah, I'm very grateful, but still like it does like affect you mentally. So I mean, yeah, that was there. But apart from that, I did not really see any big changes because I was doing this anyways, like staying at home and working. So yeah.
And did the brand deals that used to come in before and after, did that change or did that increase in fact? I mean, did that go down? Did that go up?
It did go up a little bit because, like,
Mm-hmm.
right now, because of the whole pandemic and everything, everybody's staying at home. People have started taking, streaming and stuff more seriously. So, because there's lots of people at home who are watching the streams. So, yeah, I think brands have like started to take note and they are like investing in this space as well, like a bit more now. Um, I think it was abhi like I think now it has like decreased a little bit like थोड़ा सा अभी कम चल रहा है because like अभी एकदम full on lockdowns चल रहे हैं and all like it's very strict now. Before it
Mm-hmm.
wasn't that strict, so yeah, like you
But
can't really like go for like some photo shoots or like interviews or anything. You can't really travel now, so वो सब थोड़ा सा effect हो रहा है. But apart from that, yeah, it's the same.
and when it comes to gamers, there's a certain perception, right? कि like वो घर पे बैठे रहते हैं पूरा time, just sit
Yeah,
and
yeah,
eat
yeah.
and get fat वाला scene.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But असली में gamers कैसे रहते हैं? Why don't you just give our viewers
I mean, we're just like regular people. I mean, some people like going out for fun, but
Mhm.
gamers, they like staying at home and playing for fun. So, I say you can't really like stereotype anybody. It's just what an individual person likes. Like some people like watching TV, some people like watching series, some people like playing games. It's the same
Mhm.
thing. I mean, TV देखने के लिए भी you have to sit down, but nobody calls them like, you know.
Couch potato.
So yeah, oh yeah, there is couch potato. But then yeah, it's like everybody has their own choices. So yeah, you shouldn't really like stereotype. And now like people are like they're making money by doing this.
Yep.
So before like parents used to
Jokes
be
on
all
you.
yeah, it's like that now. Like before parents used to be like कि क्या अपना time waste कर रहा है पढ़ाई कर job लेके आ I wouldn't like actually for esports I
Mm-hmm.
would say yeah, there is because as you get older, your reflexes they kind of get slower. So,
Okay.
like a 30-year-old guy would be kind of slower than a 19-year-old guy.
Hey.
So, I mean, like with regards to reflexes in game, because like you need like proper aim and reflex and for all those flick shots and
Huh.
everything. So I would say like yeah, for esports, like professional esports, there might be, but then
Mm-hmm.
for
I was saying that if someone wanted to get into streaming at this point of time,
yeah.
what do you think they would need to start with? Besides being, entertaining and the regular stuff, what do you suggest? Should they start streaming PC games? Should they start streaming single player games? Should they go into multiplayer games? How do you start as a gaming creator?
So there's two things to this. One is
Mm-hmm.
if you want to become a streamer because you love games, you like interacting with people, and you're doing it as a hobby, as a
Mm-hmm.
side thing, because everybody starts as a side thing. Even I started it as like a side hobby. I had a job. I used to come back home and then stream. Like jumping into it directly and being like, oh yeah, I'm going to start streaming and next month I'll have all these brands sponsor me, I'm going to make money. That's not going to happen at all. Like I've seen so many people who start streaming and thinking ki haan bhai, like after 1 month I'll get this many views and brands will come sponsor me and then it doesn't happen obviously and they're like yo I'm not progressing, I'm not getting any views.
So I was asking you, you were talking about
So yeah.
streaming on the phone versus streaming on the PC and then the console.
Yeah, so streaming on the phone is obviously it's gonna get you more views. It'll be good for your channel in the long run, but do it only if you like mobile gaming. Like a lot of gamers, they get into gaming because of like PC gaming. I mean, PC gaming has been there since a long time. Mobile gaming, I think it just came recently with PUBG. So
Mm-hmm.
now that PUBG brought the whole mobile audience, and then people started getting into all these other games like Call of Duty, Free Fire, and everything.
Valorant.
Yeah, so but then yeah, Valorant, yeah, that was new, but then a lot of mobile gamers got into Valorant because
Yeah,
PUBG got banned.
exactly.
Um, but yeah, well, yeah, like a lot of people start with mobile gaming thinking that, oh, I'm gonna get famous and this, but then they actually don't enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
It even happened with me because I have always been a PC gamer, and then yeah,
Okay.
so yeah, that's all.
And now PUBG is coming back as Battleground, and that's gonna again be picking up a
Yep,
lot of this thing. Are you
yep.
going to avoid it, or are you gonna like have to give in to it? What's the scene?
No, I am actually interested in trying it. Like, it's gonna
Mm-hmm.
be like a only India thing, so I wanna see
Right.
how it plays out. I am like,
Mm-hmm.
they're gonna have like some India focused events and like some
Mm-hmm.
skins and custom skins and everything.
Right.
So I'm interested. I'm looking forward to it. I will definitely try it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see if I like it. I will continue.
Okay, so that was about mobile streaming and versus
Yeah.
PC streaming. There's a lot of questions and even the comments and even me, for example, I'm a console gamer, even I'm a PS5, PS4 person.
Yeah.
A lot of people are asking, what about console streaming? What's your take on that? Is there really a market in India for that? Because like I mean internationally you have PewDiePie and all playing
Yeah.
games and they release and you have like lakhs of people watching it. But what's the
Yeah.
scene in India according to you?
Again, like PC and console, I think they are both similar. Um, Yeah, not a lot of people own consoles in India. So I think that's one drawback. People will have laptops, they buy laptops for work, they can play games on that. But
Mm-hmm.
nobody really buys like consoles in India that much. So I think, yeah, that is, I mean, at the end of the day, it's the game that matters.
Mm-hmm.
People like The Last of Us a lot, even though
Okay.
like I did not have a PS4, I did not get to play it myself, but I loved watching it because the game was really awesome. So I
It's a
think
memory.
people, yeah. So even if you do stream like console games, it depends. Like if people enjoy the game, they will watch no matter what.
Mm-hmm.
So I think the game matters and not the platform matters as much.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so yeah,
But what do you say about like so if you've seen the communities right now,
yeah,
PS5 obviously there's a shortage going on, there's a restock coming out
yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah.
There's a lot of demand for it. Do you think it's just that there are people who have consoles but they're not getting into streaming? Or is it like you're sticking to the fact that there are just not enough people with consoles?
Yeah, I feel like, I mean, I wouldn't really say that people have consoles and they're not into streaming. Yeah, I mean that could be a factor. It depends on person to person, but also like streaming on a console is like kind of difficult, isn't it? Like you need a capture card and everything. So you
So,
need
so
to spend money
I
apart. Yeah.
I have a
You
PS
can
camera which works directly with the
oh
console.
oh
I
so you
don't I
can
mean
directly stream. I never really looked into that. I
so go ahead. Yeah, tell you one thing. I mean, I've seen a
yeah.
lot of comments about you being hot, and I'm guessing that happens on your stream also, where people are constantly objectifying you. Or do they get lewd in any way? Does it get annoying? How does it work for you? How do you deal
I mean
with that attention?
I have mods who just delete their messages, so I don't
Mm-hmm.
even see it in the first place. Also, I feel
Mm-hmm.
like before when I started very recent, like 2 years back, it
Mm-hmm.
used to happen a lot, but
Mm-hmm.
now it has lessened. Like there are very less trolls now. Like I feel like
Mm-hmm.
people are more accepting of gamer girls. Like 2 years back when I started, like there wasn't many like females who were into gaming, so people were like, "Whoa, okay, a female into
Mm-hmm.
gaming, that's weird." So yeah,
इसको तो कुछ
people
आता
people
नहीं
used
होगा
to
किस चीज का
yeah
इसको
yeah all of
तू
those things, but there used to be like lots of trolls back then. But I feel like
Mm-hmm.
now people have matured, they are more accepting. So there's not a lot of people. I mean, yeah, there will be trolls who will come in and comment like, "Oh, you're a noob. You don't know this." But then nobody really comments on like, your
You're
appearance and
good.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, like no, like they don't really. So to become a streamer, it's really difficult in today's space because back when I had started, there were only like 5 streamers, I guess, from India, and now there's
Mm-hmm.
like hundreds of streamers. So it's really difficult to get noticed now. So you need like some sort of unique content that makes you stand out, or
Mm-hmm.
you need to collab with other streamers and build an audience like that. Like collab with multiple streamers, so your audience increases like that. Also, like just play whatever you like. Don't play like the popular games, because that's what people are watching. See, as long as you're enjoying the game that you're playing, it does
Mm-hmm.
not matter how many viewers you have. Because if you just think about the numbers, like I personally, I don't even see my viewer count anymore. Like I have
Okay.
that turned off. I just have the game, the chat, that's it. I don't even see the viewer count. People come in and chat and tell me, "Oh, why are your viewers so low?" I'm like, I
Hmm.
don't care. Is this your channel? Why are you worrying about that if I'm not worrying? Like, I'm enjoying the game. My community is enjoying. My chat is enjoying. So that's all that matters to me. And I think
Hmm.
like people will like that more than you just playing some game that every other streamer is also playing. Um, and you're just not enjoying, you're getting bored and all. So yeah, I think that's one thing, like play the game that you like. Don't look at the numbers, don't look at the money, because it's not gonna happen in day one. It's gonna take a lot of time. Like you might have heard of Pokimane, I think. She has been streaming for like 10 years. And
Hmm.
like I think the last 2 to 3 years, she started gaining like a lot of popularity. But she has been streaming for 10 years. So that's quite a lot of time to,
Right.
blow up. So
Right.
yeah, it takes time. It takes time. Just be consistent, just be patient. Don't quit if you're not seeing
Hmm.
good numbers like in the second month.
Hmm.
Yeah. And do it as a hobby. So you'll really enjoy it then. And
And
for the yeah.
sorry, you were saying. I thought you were done. Go
No,
for
no,
it.
yeah, you go for it. I was done
I was
actually.
saying, do you think when Battlegrounds launches in India, do you think that's going to be a good time for some new streamers to come in and ride the wave of hype? Or is it going to
Definitely.
be,
Definitely,
yeah?
because now I think because with battlegrounds, it's like an India only thing, right? So all the
Hmm.
tournaments and stuff will be like, all the major tournaments. There won't be teams from other countries. It's all gonna be India, and then
Hmm.
lots of new players are gonna be able to showcase their talent and stuff. And I feel like a lot of streamers are born that way. Like they become like really good at the game, and then people start noticing them in tournaments, and then they start streaming to show off their skills and stuff, and to teach other people, and that's how they become really successful. So yeah, I think battlegrounds will be like, it'll help a lot of people.
And YouTube or Twitch के बीच में, what's the
Yeah,
scene like here in India? I see you have a channel on both, but on YouTube you have like
yeah,
259,000 subscribers,
yeah.
and on Twitch you have like 9,000. So
So
scene क्या
yeah.
है?
So I had started streaming on Twitch because वो time पे YouTube gaming था ही नहीं. YouTube gaming came on, so I started streaming I think January 20, but
Mm-hmm.
Twitch has recently got their Indian servers as well. So the thing was like if you watch Twitch, it used to lag a lot. Like even on BSNL connections or like Geo Act, वगैरह, it used to lag a lot. Like it used to buffer. So
Mm-hmm.
nobody likes watching a buffering stream. But now I think because there were servers for Singapore that you had to connect, so yeah, it
Lag
used to
was too
lag.
much in
Yeah,
between.
yeah. So now they have like servers in Mumbai and Chennai, I think. So I think now that it's not gonna lag as much, so people will start watching Twitch more. Abhi
Maybe.
Twitch, yeah. So Abhi like there's like this whole community called Twitch India community. There's like a handful of like 10 to 15 streamers from India who stream there. So yeah, it's growing. I also stream on Twitch sometimes, like
Mm-hmm.
because the community is so good there. Because
Mm-hmm.
people watch Twitch for the games. They
Right.
know that you're on a gaming platform. So there's all gamers.
Your earnings from subscriptions versus your earnings from views.
Yeah.
A general, like you don't have to give the exact numbers, but in general, what works out better for you? Or is it
Views
just
say
sponsorship
I
that pay most?
so YouTube ka memberships and super chats, they only pay most because
Mm-hmm.
views, I mean, I can't say for others. I don't know how it works for others, but for me, yeah, ad revenue is not there because, like, I think India, mein, a lot of people use ad block and stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah, ad revenue is very bad in India, and I think Indian like jo advertisers like they also pay less or something. I'm not really sure how the ad revenue is calculated, but
Mm-hmm.
it's very bad. Like I'll tell you, for example, for a video that had like 70,000 views, you would
Mm-hmm.
expect.
Interesting. And when it comes to, there was a late entry into the gaming world with Facebook gaming. Even they got into the gaming live stream scene. Have you tried it
Yeah,
yet?
no, I haven't. I yeah, no. I don't really use Facebook as much. Like yeah, I just don't.
Fair enough. Fair
Yeah,
enough. What are
I'm
your
happy with
current
YouTube right now. So
what are your current games right now that you're binging on? What are you playing right now?
Right now, I'm playing Village, Resident Evil Village. My
Mm-hmm.
audience is also really enjoying it. Like I just got done streaming that like before this interview.
Right.
People were like, "No, don't go. We want to watch more." I was like, "I'm sorry. I'll come back. Don't worry." So, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
streaming that, and then I again like I just stream like Valorant sometimes, or I actually stream like very random games. Like I stream Dark
And
Souls sometimes. I was streaming It Takes Two recently. Then I was streaming Green Hill. Yeah, I play like a
okay.
variety of games. So, but
Okay.
then like Valorant and Warzone, Call of Duty Warzone, these are like my main multiplayer games.
What's a day in your life like right now?
Hmm. Right now, I wake up, I
Mm-hmm.
eat, I sit on the PC, and then I browse YouTube for some time. Like I watch other videos and stuff, and then I
Mm-hmm.
sit to stream. And
Mm-hmm.
if I'm not streaming, then I just chill. I play with my
Okay.
dog. I watch YouTube. That's it. I
Mm-hmm.
lead a very boring lifestyle. Like my chat tells me like please vlog. We want to watch some vlog with like vlogs and stuff. I was like, but what do I even vlog about? I just stay at home. I don't do anything. Like, hey guys, I woke up. I don't know, man. My life is very boring right now. So I think streaming is the only thing it's the only thing I look forward to. Like it gives me
Mm-hmm.
some enjoyment.
Right.
Otherwise, my life is very boring right now.
How many hours do you land up streaming a thing?
If I'm really into a game, like I think the max I streamed was for like 7 to 8 hours. I believe
Mm-hmm.
that's my
Peak
highest,
time.
yeah, highest like stream duration. But I
Mm-hmm.
stream for about like 3 to 4 hours or something.
Very nice. And
Yeah.
Filal, you also tried your hand at Returnal on the PS5, no?
Oh yeah, yeah, I did.
How
That was
was
really
that?
fun. That was a lot of fun.
No, I mean there's a good end twist to Resident Evil 8 explaining why Ethan is
Oh,
the way he is. We'll tell.
oh, yeah, yeah.
But yeah, someone
I'll
just
find
asked
out tonight.
about someone just asked about Cyberpunk,
Oh,
the
that
latest
was
update
a
that came in.
disappointment. I did not even play it. I played
Are
it
you
like
serious?
twice. Yeah, I have the game. I played it like a few times, and then the bugs were just annoying. So there was this one section where we had to chase like a van. The van was in front of us, and we had to shoot the people in the van shooting back at us. All I could see was a closed van. But then they were shooting at me. There were bullets coming, but then I could
Wait,
not see anybody.
but they said that the PC versions were generally bug free more or less, right?
No.
You were playing on the PC and you had this issue in
Yes.
the beginning. Ouch.
So there was that issue, and then another issue. I think, like during the start of the game only, like you go into this building, you have to kill some boss, like some gang leader, something.
True. Anyway, so I'm done. I don't think we have any legit requests or ready to
Sure,
talk
sure.
yet.
I
But
think somebody
it's your
was
birthday
saying,
tomorrow.
oh yeah, it is. It is my birthday tomorrow.
So what are your plans for that? Obviously, clearly you're at home.
Yeah,
But any
I'll
special
be,
plans, any
I'll
special
be getting
streams?
a. Yeah, I'll be streaming tomorrow. I'm
Mm-hmm.
planning to do like fun, chill stream sort of thing. Like no gaming. We'll just hang
Mm-hmm.
out. I'll cut the
Mm-hmm.
cake on stream, and I hope my chat will give me lots of gifts.
Mm-hmm. Please send
So
her
yeah, let's
gifts.
see. Let's see.